from Pakhanga House. So all the participants get ready.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯇꯝꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯆꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯗꯣꯟꯅ ꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯍ ꯏꯔꯥꯕꯣꯜ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯦꯡꯉꯝꯕꯤ ꯀꯩꯖꯤꯡꯂꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯅꯥꯂꯟꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯃꯄꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯕꯩꯒ ꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯠꯅꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯅꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯆꯥ ꯌꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯇꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯕꯨ ꯎꯟꯊꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯁꯇꯤ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
So the now first participant for Hindi poem recitation, Pakhanga House, Nerina, class 3, roll number 44. So it's a mistake, I think. We'll begin English poem recitation in place of Hindi. From Pakhanga House, Nerina, roll number 44. English poem recitation begins now. Participant from Pakhanga House, Scarlett, class 3, roll number 24, English poem. So to get ready, Unjao, Serena, Albas from Pakhanga House. After her.
Good morning everyone. Good morning teacher, brother and sister. I am from class 3. I am going to recite poems. The name of my poem is Bird Talk. King said the robin, king said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers, they don't have feathers, and all about and all you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow weeds, they don't sing in choir and sing. King said the robin, king said the jay. The written by Ellen Fisher. Thank you.
And after Scarlett, Unjao. 5. On behalf of Pakam House, today I am going to recite a poem. The name of my poem is Stand as One. Stand as one as let hate not take its toll, let freedom buy your goal. Remember those silence. Stand as one together, let hate not take its toll, let stand up to operation, let freedom buy your goal. Remember those now silence as others take their place. They stand as a reminder of what was and what could be. They stand as a reminder of what was and what could be. Thank you and have a nice day. Now, the next last participant from Pakamba House, Sihai Salva, class 5, roll number 20. To get ready, Kangal houses next for English poem recitation.
Good morning everyone. I myself, Alvas of class 5, on behalf of Pakamba House. The name of my poem is Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our teamwork. Then we will set the joy of what we have done. Teamwork everyone. It is fun to shoot the basketball through the wall. But if nobody passes and nobody scores, and the relay races can go on. If nobody reads the pass to button, thank you.